Welcome back to my channel Impart Math Knowledge. This video is about ordinary differential equation, particular integral case. Check my previous video for RHS of exponential form. Here we are going to discuss about trigonometric form. When the right hand side is of the form sin AX or cos AX, particular integral is sin AX or cos AX by f of d. F of d is the left hand side of the given problem. Now replace d square by minus a square, where a is the coefficient of x. Multiply and divide the conjugate of the denominator. Again you replace d squared by minus a square. If the denominator is not equal to 0, simplify both numerator and the denominator, you will get the particular integral. When the denominator becomes 0, 1 by d square plus a square sin ax can be written as minus x by 2 cos ax by a. 1 by d square plus a square cos ax can be written as x by 2 sin ax by a. At last, you write the general solution for the given problem. The problem is d square plus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to 7 cos 4x. The general solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Step 1. Find the complementary function. For that you write d square plus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to 0. Now write the auxiliary equation. M square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Find the roots of the auxiliary equation. For finding the roots, you have to take two factors. Adding the factors, you will get 2. Multiplying the same factors, you will get 1. The possible factors are 1 and 1. If you add these two, you will get plus 2. If you multiply these two, you will get 1. This can be written as m square plus 2m is 1m plus 1m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now in the first and the second term, m is common, take it outside, m plus 1. Third and the fourth term, 1 is common, take it outside, m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this can be written as m plus 1 is equal to 0. m plus 1 is equal to 0 implies that m is equal to 1. Here the roots are real and same. So the complementary function is ax plus b e power mx. Here m value is 1. So complementary function is ax plus b e power x. Step 2. Find the particular integral. Here RHS is 7 cos 4x. So the particular integral is 7 cos 4x by f of d. F of d is the left hand side of the problem. 7 cos 4x by d square plus 2d plus 1. Now replace d square by minus a square. Here a value is 4. A value is 4. D square is equal to minus a square. So d square is equal to minus 4 square. 7 cos 4x by minus 4 square plus 2d plus 1. 7 cos 4x by minus 16 plus 2d plus 1. That is 7 cos 4x by 2d minus 15. Now taking the conjugate of the denominator, the conjugate is 2d plus 15. Now multiply both numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. The conjugate of the denominator is 2d plus 15. So multiply both numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. Denominator is of the form a square minus b square. 7 cos 4x 2d plus 14 by 2d square minus 15 square. Particular integral is 2d plus 15, 7 cos 4x by 4d square minus 15 square is 225. Again replace d squared by minus a squared, that is minus 4 square. 2d plus 15, 7 cos 4x by 4 minus 4 square minus 225. This is equal to 2d plus 15, 7 cos 4x by 4 into minus 16 minus 225. 2d plus 15, 7 cos 4x by minus 289. Operate 7 cos 4x inside, that is 2d 7 cos 4x plus 15 7 cos 4x. Denominator is minus 289. 7 by 289 minus 2. Differentiate first term. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Here 4 is there. So minus 4 sin 4x plus 15 cos 4x. Particular integral is 7 by 289, 8 sin 4x minus 15 cos 4x. The general solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Here the complementary function is ax plus b e power minus x plus 7 by 289, 8 sin 4x minus 15 cos 4x. In the given problem, right hand side is cos 4x. So first we have to find the complementary function. The complementary function is ax plus b e power minus x. For the particular integral, first step replace d squared by minus a square. Then taking the conjugate of the denominator. After that multiply both numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. Again replace d squared by a square. If the denominator is not equal to 0, simplify the numerator. The general solution for the given problem is y is equal to ax plus b e power minus x plus 7 by 289, 8 sin 4x minus 15 cos 4x. Next problem, d square y by dx square plus 36y is equal to sin 6x. Step 1 to find the complementary function. The given problem can be written as d square plus 36 into y is equal to 0. Now write the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 36 is equal to 0. Now find the roots of the equation. M square is equal to minus 36. So m is equal to plus or minus, since it is a negative root, 6i. The roots are imaginary. Here alpha value is 0, beta value is 6. The complementary function is e power alpha x, a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. Complementary function is e power 0x, a cos 6x plus b sin 6x. Step 2 to find the particular integral. Here the right hand side term is sin 6x. So the particular integral is sin 6x divided by f of d. F of d is left hand side term of the problem. Particular integral is sin 6x by f of d. that is sin 6x by d square plus 36. Replace d square by minus a square, that is minus 36. So the particular integral is sin 6x by minus 36 plus 36. Here denominator is 0. In the sine term, if the denominator is 0 means the particular integral is minus x by 2 cos ax by a. So this can be written as minus x by 2 cos ax is 6x by 6. Particular integral is minus x by 12 cos 6x. The general solution is y is equal to e power 0x a cos 6x plus b sin 6x minus x by 12 cos 6x. In this problem, denominator is 0. In that case, your particular integral is minus x by 2 cos ax by a. Here a value is 6. Suppose your problem is cos means particular integral is x by 2 sin ax by a. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.